Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the BW ANC5 noise cancelling headphones from Blitzwolf. I was sent these by Banggood to review, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. And also Banggood have provided me with some generous coupons which are in the video description and comments below if you would like to get a discount on purchasing these. Starting off with the design, they are quite modern looking and have a nice matte finish, although it does pick up fingerprints as you can see. They do feel quite high quality when you hold them and when you wear them. On the left ear you can see you get a mode button, and then on the right ear you get the volume up, power button and mode button in the middle, and then a volume down button. There's also a headphone jack to plug in the wires if you would like to use these without Bluetooth or when they run out of battery. I must admit that it took me a while to figure out how to turn these on initially, because I'm used to my Sony headphones that have the power button on the left side, and so I spent a long time trying to press the left mode button, wondering why it wouldn't turn on. Now, it turns out the power button is actually on the middle, on the right side, between the volume up and volume down button, and for me personally I felt this wasn't quite a very intuitive location. In terms of comfort, I found these quite comfortable to wear, and they are a full ear surrounding headphone, but it is slightly smaller than the Sony ones, so getting your ear fully in the cup takes a little bit of adjusting. The top headband is just as comfortable as the Sony's again, and the Blitzwolf headphones have an ear sensor just like the Sony's one, so they will automatically pause music when you take them off. But something I did notice is that they don't seem to have an auto off, at least not a very short auto off. The Sony ones seem to auto turn off after 5 minutes, but these ones didn't appear to automatically turn off after any set amount of time, but it could be something in the settings that I'm missing. Another thing to note is that the headphones don't fold, and so the case that they come in is a little bit bigger than the Sony one, but not really by that much, as you can see. The Blitzwolf ones do come with the same cables, which are the charging cable, 3.5mm cable, and the airline adapter. So these are great for traveling with in an airline. In terms of actual noise cancelling, they do actually do a pretty good job. Certainly not quite as good as the Sony headphones, but I would say like about half as good. It works best when playing sounds, so that the sounds can cancel the outside sound. But when you're not actually playing music or other things, you can kind of hear the faint sound of things happening outside. Surprisingly, these headphones actually do have a transparency mode, which is usually only found in higher end headphones, and this lets the outside sound in when you do actually want to hear the outside sound, such as train announcements or announcements from the airline. The microphone on these is actually quite good as well, and probably about as good as the Sony ones. They can be used for phone calls in a pinch.
That's what the built-in microphone sounds like on these headphones. When you're using them in a phone call, in this case, I am talking to you through Skype and recording it on my computer.
There is also no way to actually tell the battery percent of these headphones unless you're looking at the device that it's connected to and that device supports showing the percent. The iPhone and Androids will display this information in the Bluetooth settings, but the Sony headphones have a useful function where if you tap the power button once, it will actually tell you the rough estimated battery percent left. This is something I'd definitely like to see on a future model of these headphones. The price on these is currently $115 US, and with the coupon from Banggood listed below, you get a discount of $55 US, bringing the total down to around about $60 US, which I think is actually a really great price for these headphones. And they are really good noise cancelling headphones, especially in this price range. Of course, the similar Sony and Bose headphones have a few more features and in some cases are smaller or lighter, but these ones really will get the job done and are quite comfortable to wear. Definitely worth considering if you're looking for noise cancelling headphones. Do leave a comment below what is your favourite headphones for travelling, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.